Hello design enthusiasts! Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's more relevant than ever for these days, the modern home office design inspiration. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. With the rise of remote work, our home offices have become more than just a corner in a spare room. They're now essential hubs for productivity, creativity, and focus. A well-designed home office can significantly impact your work-life balance and overall well-being. So if you're ready to transform your workspace into a stylish and functional haven, you've come to the right place. Let's start by defining what we mean by modern home office design. It's more than just throwing a desk and chair into a room. Modern design, in general, emphasizes clean lines, functionality, and a minimalist aesthetic. In the context of a home office, this translates to a space that's uncluttered, well-organized, and promotes focus. It's about creating an environment that's both visually appealing and highly practical, incorporating elements like natural light, ergonomic furniture, and smart storage solutions. A modern home office should reflect your personal style while supporting your work needs. It's about creating an inspiring space that makes you excited to work. Investing in a well-designed modern home office offers a multitude of benefits. Firstly, it significantly boosts productivity. A clutter-free and organized space minimizes distractions and allows you to focus on your tasks more effectively. Secondly, it improves your work-life balance. By creating a dedicated workspace, you can mentally separate your work life from your personal life, even when working from home. Thirdly, a well-designed office can enhance your creativity. Aesthetically pleasing surroundings can stimulate your mind and inspire new ideas. Finally, a comfortable and ergonomic setup can improve your physical well-being, reducing the risk of strain and discomfort associated with long hours at a desk. A modern home office is an investment in your success and overall well-being. How do you decorate a good modern home office space? Now let's talk about decorating your modern home office. The key is to create a space that's both functional and stylish. Start by choosing a neutral color palette for the walls, such as white, gray, or beige, as these create a calming and spacious feel. Introduce pops of color through artwork, accessories, or even a statement rug. Prioritize good lighting. Natural light is ideal, so try to position your desk near a window. Supplement with task lighting such as a desk lamp to avoid eye strain. Incorporate plants to add a touch of nature and improve air quality. Choose furniture that is both comfortable and functional, such as an ergonomic chair and a spacious desk. Finally, personalize your space with items that inspire you, like artwork, photos, or motivational quotes. What are the best items for modern home office design? Choosing the right items is crucial for creating a functional and stylish modern home office. Here are some essentials. First, ergonomic chair. Invest in a high-quality ergonomic chair that supports good posture and reduces back pain. Second, spacious desk. Choose a desk that provides ample workspace for your computer, documents, and other essentials. Third, monitor arm. A monitor arm helps free up desk space and allows for better monitor positioning. Fourth, keyboard and mouse. Opt for a comfortable keyboard and mouse that reduce strain on your wrists and hands. Fifth, storage solutions. Utilize storage solutions like filing cabinets, shelves, and drawers to keep your workspace organized. Sixth, good lighting. A combination of natural and artificial light is essential for a productive workspace. Seventh, plants. Add greenery to your office to improve air quality and create a calming atmosphere. Eighth, artwork. Choose artwork that inspires you and adds personality to your space. Ninth, personal touches. Incorporate personal items like photos or mementos to make your office feel more like home. 10th, cable management. Keep cables organized and hidden to maintain a clean and clutter-free workspace. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best modern home office design ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. Minimalist Zen. Embrace a minimalist approach with clean lines, neutral colors, and minimal decor. Focus on functionality and simplicity. 2. Industrial chic. Incorporate industrial elements like exposed brick, metal accents, and vintage furniture for a unique and stylish look. 3. Scandinavian inspired. Create a bright and airy space with white walls, light wood furniture, and pops of color through textiles and accessories. 4. Mid-century modern. Blend classic mid-century modern furniture with contemporary elements for a timeless and sophisticated style. 5. Bohemian Rhapsody. Inject personality into your office with vibrant colors, eclectic decor, and plenty of plants. 6. Coastal Calm. Create a relaxing and serene atmosphere with light blue hues, natural materials, and nautical-inspired accents. 7. Urban Oasis. Transform your office into a green oasis with plenty of plants, natural light, and earthy tones. 8. Luxury Retreat. Create a luxurious and elegant space with high-end furniture, rich textures, and statement lighting. 9. Creative Corner. Design a dedicated creative space with a large desk, ample storage, and inspiring artwork. 10. Tech-savvy setup. Integrate the latest technology into your office with smart lighting, a high-end sound system, and a state-of-the-art computer setup. Creating a modern home office is an investment in your productivity and well-being. By incorporating these tips and ideas, you can transform your workspace into a stylish and functional haven that inspires you to do your best work. Remember, your home office should be a reflection of your personal style and work needs. So take the time to design a space that you love, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes in your work life. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more home decor inspiration, and let us know in the comments below what your favorite modern home office design ideas are.